So now the files I have uploaded in this tutorial of Keen-ITC correspond to the same interaction performed at different temperatures. And in many cases, this is going to be very useful to obtain additional information of the interaction. So many researchers are interested in performing experiments at different temperatures. And we have some analytical tools to analyze these experiments at different temperatures. We have this in what we call the Van't Hoff aging plots option. So if we click in this option and we click in this button, get them, what we are going to have is different linear representations that provides useful information of experiments performed at different temperatures. If we click here in Show Height Linear Fit, we will obtain the linear fitting of all these graphs. The first graph on the top left is going to show you the temperature dependence of delta H. This is going to give you information of variations in the heat capacity, Cp. The second graph on the top right is a classical linear Van't Hoff plot, and we obtain this by representing the logarithm of the binding constants as a function of the inverse of the temperature to get delta H and delta S entropy, considering that or assuming that delta Cp is constant throughout the variation of the temperature. In the lower part of this screen, we have two more graphs. These graphs are the aging plot graphs, and here we represent the logarithm of the rate constants, either k on or k off, divided by temperature, as a function of the inverse of the temperature. This linear fitting will provide the enthalpy and entropy of activation starting from the free species or from the complex to the activation state. The result of all the analysis performed can be visualized very nicely if we click in this option, Summary. So here we have tables with a summary of the thermodynamic information of all your experiments, also a summary of the kinetic information, and the summary of the analysis of variable temperature experiments. You can download these files and edit them in, for instance, an Excel file. Finally, in the option Resources, you can view and download all the graphs we have been working with, from the isotherm to the equilibration time curve to the variable temperature experiments, even the raw thermogram or the process thermogram. You can download these files as a CVS file and also as a picture that you can use, for instance, in your publications. Finally, if you want to save your isotherms to a general database of isotherms that we have in Affinimeter, just click in this option, Generate Data Series from this data. And this movement will automatically save all your isotherms processed to a database of Affinimeter that you can find in the option Data Series. Another interesting option in Keen-ITC is the possibility to get the automatic report with all the results, with the kinetic information, thermodynamic information. And for this, just click in this button, PDF. And using this option, you will get automatically a very nice report in PDF format with all the information of the analysis with KinITC. So this would be the tutorial of KinITC. You have more information in our website. If you go to the Affinimeter website, and there you will find nice written tutorials also of how to use KinITC.